Namar ka Jingkyrduh umbam umdi hakishnong bapher ki bahab ha Umsning town dorbar bat kabalawan ra jing e shikadei e ikipat ba hakite kishnong ki Longkmie ni kishnong bapher ki bahab ha Umsning town dorbar kila Pynsngew sundan yakate ka jing e ha Myntri Rangbah Khuborjylla konrat ke Samla ha ka jingalang balong henen kasngi arphuai tarik naiwing ha Umsning auditorium hall Lengbah kate ka jingyalang bat habalayo sngow ya kasur jingrawa na ki Longkmie ka than Umsning u konrat ke sangma marmar ula khot sharansan ya u executive engineer PHE Umsning division ba udai ban penshai ya ki daw ba balai gi pat ba ha Umsning ki kendu jing e na ka Jingkyrduh Myntri Rangbah Khuborjylla konrat ke sangma ula batha ya u engineer ba udai ban lum jingelang bat ki he katnat PHE na ka banta ban penbiang do mardor ya ka umbam umdi habaru kishnong ki bahab ha Umsning town dorbar
So we want water. So we need water. Thank you, sir.
Engineer Umsning Division, sir. Regarding the Jal Jeevan Mission, I just want to brief, sir, here that the Jal Jeevan Mission is being disturbed because of the Western bypass. There has been series of inspections, sir. Together with DC also, we have been there, and recently also we have done major repair work regarding the old lines. We have taken up old abandoned lines, sir, and.
Now, what is the disturbance? Is it the source, or is it the pipes that have been broken? What is the problem?
The disturbance is the source, sir. The main.
What happened to the
source?
Basically,
sir, the earth cutting that is taking place because of the construction of Western Bypass. That earth, because of the, recently past monsoon season, that has flown a lot into the source. As a result of which, the water has been polluted beyond a certain desirable limit.
Now, so what is the solution? Are you going to tell me that we get a new source, or we put up a water treatment plant, or we have to clean up the pipes? What is the problem?
Because the source is from Umrale, sir. It's very far, it's around 70 kilometers. And the main source, the Umrale source, has been totally choked, sir. Because of the project which has been carried out in Wallingking, right from Wallingking, from East Khasinews, that all the debris has been collected. All the debris is being collected to our Umsning source, sir. And the pipe which is being conveyed from there, the 12 mm dia pipe coming to our Umsning town, the whole pipe has been choked, sir. We have been taken up so many times with the NEHU. We have done a series of inspection with them, sir. Because it's a very long line, we convey it is totally choked. So, sir, we have taken up with sir also, sir. The sir and our senior officials also have been to the site. We have taken up with NEHU also. So that especially during monsoon season, it's so choked, the whole pipe is being choked, sir. We have tried manually, we have tried with JCB to clean the pipes also, but it is the main problem we are having, sir.
So what is the solution?
One of the solution was the old.
What is the step?
We have taken up with NHS, sir, to JCB also, they have cleaned, especially during rainy season, sir. Once it rains,
it's not raining now, so what is the way?
But the whole pipe is being choked, sir, throughout the thing.
But now, sir, what Honorable CM sir is wanting to know is, now there is no more rain. How can we, basically...
How can we reactivate the supply?
What we can do now is, sir, we have to, the whole line we have to clear, sir. If they can, the whole line we have to clear, sir, and the source also, right from the East Khasinews source, sir, that has to be cleared, sir. So that is the major challenges we are having, sir.
And that can be done by your department, or will it have to be done by NHIDC?
From the NHIDC, sir. From our departments, we have cleared the things, sir, to change the line.
No, so when NHIDC started working on this, weren't they aware of this? Why wasn't something actually taken against
it? Actually, it became, sir, multiple district issue. While the effect is in Ribhoi, the cause of action is in East Khasi Hills. So if we caused multiple inquiries, we sent our ADCs, PHE also went on multiple inspections with NHIDC. They gave us a report that it's not because of, it's not being caused because of them. They gave us a very detailed report, and then we could not really pursue further. We took it up with East Khasi Hills administration, but the matter is stopped there, sir.
It's a very complex.
Other sources from their
Is there any other source around where we can, where are they? existing means what? Huh?
Umtro, we have already proposed, sir. We have already submitted the proposal to the Chief Engineer's office.
Then?
It's still in Chief Engineer's office.
No.
For Umtro's source.
Yeah. So I had asked you earlier, what is the solution? You didn't tell me the solution. Tell me all the solutions, no? I need to know this. Don't give me all the options. What are the options I have? You say you have to clean the pipe, so I thought that was the only option. Now if you're telling me there's another source, so I'm seeing this source, if I'm seeing the source that you're mentioning, why aren't we tapping these sources? What if we saw those, why don't we, see, one source may not be enough. So what if we get 2-3 sources? No, okay means you have to tell me, is it possible or not?
Actually, this one is possible, but the discharge is not.
No. Some from here, some from there, some from somewhere. Huh?
One pumping scheme also we have to.
So you get all of this. This is up tomorrow morning. This meeting is there in my house. You get me all these options. So you go back to the office now in the evening. You call the PHE people. You go through all their options and bring the options to me tomorrow morning in Wednesdays. Okay? So then you can talk to Chief Engineer. You can talk to the headman. You can talk to the Sinkanthai president and others, and give me the options. And then give me some kind of a financial involvement in all of this, so I can take a decision. Okay, you can do that. So finish it today, then give it back. So tonight you just sit down and finalize and come tomorrow morning to my house.